Charlotte Ronson for her Fall/Winter 2014 presentation. So, Charlotte, tell me what some of your inspirations were for the collection.
This season it was a modern-day take on Little Lord Fauntleroy. It kind of started with suspenders and shorts made in leather and paired with just kind of a more modern, romantic, feminine sheer lace. But my girl's this season, she's smart, she's creative, she's a little bit spooky, dark, mysterious, and a hopeless romantic.
I saw that. It kind of was a little witchy almost, this kind of dark vibe, but you really mixed a lot of feminine details like the scalloped edges and velvet.
It's handsome, you know, it's a lot more rich fabrics and more tailored, which I haven't really gotten into that area so much before, so it was nice to be able to play with that and play with silhouettes and just even have it more masculine and just, but then have the scallop detailing or pair it back with the lace or, you know, little leather cutouts or leather boxy jackets with a black embroidered roses on it and just kind of all of those touches that I could go on and on, but I won't.
Tell me about the accessories too. I love that backpack.
Sign, and we, you know, as we come up with the color story and the prints and the inspiration, we meet with I do a license with Artisan House, and they come and we discuss and start kind of brainstorming what will work with the girl for the season, but also stand on its own. So, you know, a lot of the prints, the floral print, the roses, I just love sometimes just matching the print on print, and then it stands on its own too.
I know you're a friend of Charlotte's and you've seen a lot of her shows. What do you think of the collection this season?
I love the collection this season. I think it's so chic and beautiful, and I'm wearing it right now, so I'm so proud of her. I always love what she does.
Well, this has been Charlotte Ronson, Fall/Winter 2014. I'm Siobhan with Loud Digital.
Dirty.